Hello friends, this is my new YouTube channel on YouTube. In this video we will learn how to install EditPlus and how to crack it. Before you start my video, please like, subscribe and share. Click on Google Chrome, download it, Notepad++, download this. Then click on icon to double click on exe software, accept it, then yes, select install directory, then start, successfully install. Then how to register it? Click on yes, okay, yes, then enter username and registration code. Username is woven and registration code is this. Copy, then paste it. Registered. You should restart EditPlus to activate your input. EditPlus is successfully installed. Thank you for watching.